Imagine being kicked out of school for having two strange ideas. Imagine being expelled from school not once but twice for defying established norms. Imagine working in a patent office while theories develop in your head that will change the way we understand the universe. Imagine being ignored by academics while you create the ideas that will revolutionize science. Imagine what it's like to live with such an intense passion for the mysteries of the universe that not even constant rejection could stop you. That was Albert Einstein, a man I never stopped believing in. In his ability to change the world, even when no one else did, Einstein not only dedicated himself to physics, but also questioned the nature of time and space, raising ideas that even today challenge scientists. His theories not only redefined fundamental concepts, but inspired entire generations to see beyond.
From the obvious too.
Question there.
The reality that surrounds us can be both intricate and fascinating. In English, NH, the journey to Mars with multiple flights showcases a significant achievement.
Despite the obstacles, Einstein persevered, always maintaining his insatiable curiosity and his ability to imagine beyond the limits. That was Albert Einstein, the man whose life began as a failure and ended up redefining the laws of the cosmos. His story is a reminder that true genius does not lie in immediate recognition, but in the will to continue despite adversity. That was Albert Einstein, the man who went from being an educational outcast to being the greatest genius of our era. Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in Germany, and from a young age he had an insatiable curiosity about the mysteries of nature, but he was not the typical child prodigy. On the contrary, his teachers saw him as someone with difficulties in learning. Einstein questioned the rules from the beginning, an attitude that led him to have a complicated relationship with the educational system. After leaving school, Einstein worked at the patent office in Bern, Switzerland. It was there, in his spare time, that he developed some of the most revolutionary theories in modern physics in 1905, known as his year. Grosso published 4 papers that would forever change the course of science, one of which introduced the theory of special relativity, and another presented the famous equation E equals mc superindex 2, which revealed the equivalence between mass and energy. After leaving school, Einstein worked at the patent office in Bern. Switzerland went there, in his spare time, where he developed some of the most revolutionary theories in modern physics. In 1905, known as his miraculous year, he published 4 papers that would forever change the course of science, one of which introduced the theory of special relativity, and another presented the famous equation E equal to mc superindex 2, which revealed the equivalence between mass and energy. But Einstein's genius wasn't limited to complex theories. He was also a committed humanist who advocated for peace in times of war and fought against racism in the United States. Despite his worldwide fame, Einstein never lost his free spirit and his rejection of authority. In fact, he refused to collaborate in the development of destructive weapons, although, paradoxically, his work paved the way for the atomic bomb. But Einstein's genius wasn't limited to complex theories. He was also a committed humanist who advocated peace in times of war. King fought racism in America. Despite his worldwide fame, Einstein never lost his free spirit and his rejection of authority. In fact, he refused to cooperate in the development of destructive weapons, although paradoxically, his work paved the way for the atomic bomb. Einstein not only changed science, he also left us a life lesson, the importance of never stopping questioning in his final years. While other scientists focused on the details of his discoveries, Einstein embarked on the search for a unified theory of the universe, an idea that continues to intrigue physicists today. Albert Einstein died in 1955, but his legacy lives on in every corner of human knowledge. Maybe he never completed that unified theory. But his real contribution was to remind us that curiosity and wonder are the most powerful force in the universe, and maybe somewhere in the cosmos, the answers he seeks are still waiting for us. Have you ever wondered what lies beyond known knowledge? Einstein taught us to look ahead without fear of answers or questions.